Welcome to this walk around video. Here we have a 2019 Audi Q3 35 TFSI Vorsprung. So it does have just about every option equipped on this car. It is finished in Glacier White metallic, and with the Vorsprung you do have the black styling package to the exterior. It does also have matrix LED headlights with dynamic front and rear indicators. Another feature, it does have 360-degree cameras. If we move around the side, it does have the 20-inch 5-star V-spoke design alloys. Furthermore, it does also have rear privacy glass and an electric tailgate. This car in particular does have a full Audi service history and one former keeper. And it does have black leather and alcantara throughout the interior. You do also have the Bang & Olufsen surround sound and the ambient lighting, extended ambient lighting package as well. Another thing, it does have advanced key, which is Audi's terminology for keyless entry. Sliding panoramic sunroof. Does of course have heated folding mirrors. You also do get the flat bottom steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit. Of course it does have navigation, Apple CarPlay, etc. through there. Down here you do have heated electric front seats with the dual zone climate control, and furthermore to the cameras it does also have park assist and even a wireless charger for your mobile phone. So there it is, our lovely 2019 Audi Q3 Vorsprung. If you do have any more questions on this vehicle, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.